Hello again. On this class, we're gonna cover how you read the chord diagram and the rhythm. So let's start with the chord diagram. The chord diagram, it's a simple draw of this part of the guitar, of the fretboard. It showed you the first string, the second string, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth string, and the frets. Usually it did not show all the fretboard, it showed us only a little part of it. On the diagram we have on the practice notebooks, the diagram is showing you to the fifth fret. So the diagram is just like you're seeing the guitar. You can see the chord here at my side. Well, it's just like you're seeing the draw of this part of the fretboard, okay? And we're gonna have the numbers in the circle in the diagram. That's because it's showing you where to press and what fingers to use. So if you have a number 2 in the circle, it's because you need to use your finger 2 on the left hand. If you're seeing the number 3, it's because it's finger 3 that you must press on that circle. And you just see, like on the A major chord, we have 2 circles. We have one circle on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and the number 2 is because we need to press the 1st string, 2nd fret with our finger 2. And we have another circle on the same fret, 2nd fret, and a number 3 in the circle. It's because we need to press it with our finger 3. It is on the 3rd string. Okay? So that is how we're going to read the diagram of the chords. So now let's see how to read the rhythm. So okay, we have here the rhythm, how the rhythm is on a practice notebook. So we have the first mark, it's the time signature. That time signature, the only thing we need to know about that this lesson, it's showing us we have 4 bits on that bar, on that measure. Okay, we have the letter A, which is the chord we're going to play, and then we have the notes, the symbols, which is a little black circle with the stem up, and we have 4 of them. We have 4 of them because we need to play 4 times. Each one of that stem and that black circle means that we need to play 1 stroke. Okay? And then we have a little bar. That bar, it's marked the end of the measure. Just close that measure with the bar. And then we have another symbol with like a hat upside down. That is a pause, okay? It's the silence we do. That means we need to be 4 bits in silence. And then we have the bar again. And then we have again another 4 note figures. That is the black circle and the stem. That's because we need to play 4 times again. And the letter A. That letter A is because we need to play it with the A major chord. And then the bar again and the pause. And at the end we have the repeat sign, which is, you may see that as ritornello, which is an Italian word for repeat. So that's all to read the music. So once again, we're playing 4 beats on A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pulse 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats on A major again, and pulse once more time. And then the repeat sign that will make us just start over and do it all again. That repeat sign, it's good to say that it just showed to us that we need to repeat only one time. But we're going to need to do a different thing here, because we're going to play that exercise through all the audio. So just repeat over and over again till the audio ends. Okay? So that's all for this class. If you have any question, just make the question on the comment section below, and see you on the next class.